Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys what is wrong with my Evo 10. Really random introduction, but I didn't really know how to start off the video because as you guys see, my last video was a reptile show, super irrelevant to what I'm about to upload now, which is my car. So pretty much I uploaded a video about my car last month. It is when I showed you guys a tour of the cars. We have the Evo and the Subaru. The other day I was driving it outside of Walmart and I was leaving, and then the clutch pedal just got stuck out of nowhere. So I asked somebody else that has an Evo around the area who could, maybe check out the car, tell me what it is through messages, and he basically told me that it could be a master cylinder, a clutch master cylinder, something like that. The repair cost for that would be around $300. I'm not sure what else is wrong with the car. I know I have a check engine light for something else, but I can't remember what it is. I checked under my clutch pedal because he told me to check under the clutch pedal. Okay, so this is what is happening with my car. Whenever I put the clutch pedal all the way in, it will get stuck. Right now it's not happening because it randomly gets stuck and I don't know what is causing that. But then when you go down here and then you look at it, it's gonna be really hard to see. I'm not sure if any of you guys can see that. I just kind of stuck my GoPro in there, but there is something leaking. But from what I'm seeing, it is gonna be something like a clutch master cylinder that I'm going to need replaced. And reading a whole bunch of forums and Reddit posts and all that, this car is probably going to need its first ever big maintenance thing. I did have a timing belt replaced. That was the first month in. I decided to share along the problems with my Evo just in case any other people have problems with their Evos. Maybe we can help each other out in the comments. I don't know if you guys have a problem like this. What was it? What ended up being the problem? I am still a new Evo owner. I don't know anything really about Evos. I came from a 2003 shitbox Jetta. Also, I'm not sure if I ever showed you guys this, but I got rid of the black fake carbon fiber lip, but apparently my trunk has holes in it, so I kind of took an L on that. But I honestly think it looks a lot better. I'm thinking about buying a wing in the future, maybe next year. This car is super expensive, so I don't have money to, put in it right now. To pay the insurance, monthly payments, and then the gas. I'm telling you right now, before anybody starts roasting me in the comments, not knowing what I'm talking about, I'm not a mechanic, but I'm gonna try my best to work on this car or give you guys updates on what's happening. I'll give you guys a way closer view on the engine, on the parts and stuff. So do a quick little showcase right now. If any of you guys can give me an idea of what it is, or just if you're having the same problem, the clutch pedal will stick, but then it'll randomly go up sometimes. I was able to drive it 30 minutes after the problem occurred. Ugh. But right now it's doing fine, so I don't know, it's really funny. The car was driving really fine too beforehand, so I'm not sure what it is. I also never explained the goals I want to do for this car and what plans I have for it because it is my daily. I didn't really want to do much to it because this car is really expensive. But three main things I do want to do to it is add a wing, tail lights, and headlights. I was pointing at the headlights first, my bad. My main goal in life was to get an Evo 4 years ago and to make content about it. Now that I have it, I'm not really doing that, but I'm gonna push myself more to do that because I feel like my content right now on YouTube, I have 7 uploads and those videos are doing pretty good. So I guess I can't really, bash myself too much. I know there's a lot of Evo creators out there like Devin, Evan Shanks, and all those people, but I also want to make my own kind of videos with the Evo. So just please stay tuned, subscribe, leave comments too on anything. If it's hateful comments, tell me. I won't take offense to it, but it will be good to know your guys' feedback. I feel like I'm yapping a little bit, but I also have not shown my dog in a minute. His name is Knox. Super cute dog. You can't really see it, but one of his ears is down. He's trying to sniff the GoPro. Anyways, I thought I should show the dog just because I know a lot of people like dogs. I also want to make some videos about my dog, just anything that goes on in my life, whether it's my, me buying collectibles, me showing my dogs, me traveling, me working on my cars. I want to show you guys the true self of me and what I actually do. I'll try my best to upload like 3 times a week. Also, the check engine light also goes on and off. I'll show you guys that code in probably the 3rd video. I'm not sure how long this series is going to be, maybe a couple episodes. Once I'm done with this, maybe I'll move on to one of these. These are not my cars, by the way, but I know these cars are probably nicer than mine. If you guys show good support, I'll see what goes on with this car. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.